Hello. Market update for May 27th, 2021, 8:35 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. We are looking at UUP, the Power Shares DB US Dollar Index Trust Power Shares DB US Money Sign Index Bullish FD. Overall, a representation of the US dollar. We see that on the 26th, we had a green candle move up. Today on the 27th, our candle opened basically almost exactly where yesterday's candle closed. And even though buyers brought it up to almost the exact point of the high of yesterday, the sellers came in and closed this candle almost exactly where it opened yesterday. Also, we look at the volume. Selling volume is a tad bit higher than yesterday's buying volume. So based on between today and yesterday, we've basically went sideways. And when we look to the left, we see here on the 21st, we're basically in the same area from about 6 days ago. So even though it's went down a little bit, went up a little bit, the dollar has basically went sideways, which from watching the market update videos before, you know that we are under the 200-day moving average, and overall it just seems like UUP is in a downward trend. We don't know if it's even going to be able to touch this 20-day moving average when it rallies, as it did here. Tried to here, didn't really do it. We'll see if it's going to, what it's going to do going forward. Let's look at another dollar representative, the US Dollar Currency Index, the DXY. And we can see that this is a daily chart for a time frame of, what is the time frame? 6 months? 1 year? Maybe 1 year. We see that there was yesterday, same thing, rally. Today, closed a little lower, and we closed in the top 25% of this wide range bullish candle though yesterday. But looking back here, we see that again, this dollar representative has just been in a downward trend. Maybe that the value of the US dollar has been in a downward trend might have a little bit to do with why some other things have been going up in price. Copper, lumber, plate lunches for the last 20 years of living on Hawaii, in Hawaii on the island of Oahu. So you can keep watching that. Let's take a look at what happened with the 10-year US Treasury yield. We see it's up today, 0.008, and we've broken the 1.5. We're at 1.618%. So they get traded as high as 1.622, and you might have, maybe you're realizing that these market update videos are a little bit different format. So this video is going to be concluding in a few moments, and all we're looking at right now is the dollar via the DXY and UUP, and the 10-year yield interest rate. And over the next couple weeks, you and I together will be figuring out how these three things interact with the rest of the markets, and what they may or may not indicate about what might happen. And when I say we, I'm basically mean me, motivated by you of putting this information out there for you. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you're not watching this on a channel, leave a comment, message me, like the video for me. You guys have a fantastic night. Bye-bye.